एमपीसी के आउटकम के बाद आरबीआई गवर्नर मीडिया को संबोधित कर रहे हैं।
Last 1 week, expectations are what was, the Fed's rate cut would be 1 in September for 2024. Now the market is factoring in 125 basis points. While we completely understand that, you will set policy as per domestic economy. Regardless if the economy abroad is so weak, it will tell on global growth. So if you can give an idea whether you see any downward bias to our growth and inflation, if things were indeed to turn out to be that the Fed has to do 5 cuts, if there is that kind of a slowdown. As well, a request, why don't you give us now nominal forecasts also? Because that is becoming as important.
No, that's a separate issue. Now, I would guess that there would be a few other questions also on this topic because it is so fresh in everybody's mind. So we were expecting actually quite a few questions on this issue. So is there anyone else who wants to ask a question on this particular area or a related area so that we can take it all together? No, I think same questions. Okay. Now, you see, there were some developments we were referring to the United States economy. Now, actually, if you see, I would like to say 2 things. Number 1 is that the unemployment data which came from the United States just last week, that has created some, that has led to this kind of speculations. But if you look at overall economic growth in the US, I think it's doing quite well. The second quarter growth numbers in the United States were higher than the first quarter, and it was about 2.8. It was 2.8%. And then the second point is that this is a kind of a, this is just, so far as unemployment is concerned, it's a 1 month's data. Now, based on a 1 month data, you cannot assume that, you cannot rush to a conclusion about possibility of slowdown or possibility of a recession in in a large and the largest economy in the world. So you have to wait and see the incoming data. In any case, I think some narrative coming out from several members of the Fed, they have also said the same thing, that we need to watch. So therefore, I think it would be sort of, I would say at this point of time, it would be premature to talk about a recession in the United States, but I am not holding a brief for the US. And all that I would like to say from the perspective, from the point of view of the Reserve Bank, is that we will be watchful of all incoming data from domestic as well as, in this case, from external sources, and we will deal with all emerging situations. Further, let me also add, and it is there in my statement as well as in the points which I read out just now, today India has improved its resilience vis-a-vis external shocks quite a bit. I think India is far more resilient than what it was earlier. So we will have to wait for the incoming data and deal with the situation. International agencies like, all international agencies like the IMF, the OECD, the WTO, they have all projected world trade to rise this year, to grow this year at about 3% or so against very low growths last year. So this projection was just made very recently, and that would obviously support the overall external demand situation. So I'll stop here.
Thank you, sir. May I
तो आप आरबीआई गवर्नर को सुन रहे थे, खास तौर से जो रिसेंटली अमेरिकन डेवलपमेंट हुआ था अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट के नंबर्स के बाद और उसके बाद जो मार्केट्स ने रिएक्ट किया था उसके हिसाब से वो अपने बयान देते हुए दिखाई पड़ रहे थे। लेकिन आज के एमपीसी के आउटकम के अंदर कोई खास बदलाव नहीं होता हुआ दिखाई पड़ा, जिसका एक इम्पैक्ट भी मार्केट्स ने उसी तरह दिया, इसलिए रेंज बाउंड ट्रेड वहाँ पर देखने को मिल रहा है। एक ब्रेक का वक्त हो गया, ब्रेक के बाद लौटेंगे। प्रशांत सर मौजूद रहेंगे, उनसे तो हम बातचीत करेंगे ही और उनकी इंडिविजुअल कॉल्स के ऊपर भी बातचीत करनी है। एक ब्रेक के बाद लौटते हैं, उस पर चर्चा करते हैं।